I'm putting this video out, it's just going to be very brief, but I have a terrible astigmatism, which means that my eyes are blurry when I use a red dot sight. And as you can see, I've got a Holosun red dot on my Ruger 1022, and all I see is a big blur when I look at the red dot. So I have got the worst kind of astigmatism. I have an oblique astigmatism, so it's not up and down, it's not left and right, it's actually diagonal, which makes the image incorrectable as far as I understand it. So what I've done and what I found out is that I can overcome the astigmatism, the blurry red dot, if I use a backup sight. Now this is a 1/3 co-witness Holosun mount, and as you know, when you use the red dot sight, the red dot stays no matter which angle you're approaching the lens, the objective side. So the red dot is going to stay on target. But what I do is I use my rear backup sight for long distance shooting, and I can put that down if I'm just shooting close or if I'm shooting at large targets. But what happens is that the rear backup sight has a small aperture, and it actually limits the amount of light coming from the red dot. So it's actually washing out or filtering out the scattered red light. And so without the backup sight, I get a big red, probably a 3 or 4 MOA dot, even though the sight is a 2 MOA dot. But if I use the rear backup sight, it brings it back in line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, try and focus on the tree out there and then bring into the sight. So you're going to see the red dot there on the birdhouse. And if I bring it in a little bit closer and see if I can get it in focus there, right there, you can see that red dot is going through the rear backup sight. And it's actually going to be a cleaner dot for those long distance shots. So if you're having a problem with astigmatism and you're okay with an added backup sight, which I think most of us have on our guns, just in case the electronic red dot doesn't work anymore, pop that up, take a look through it, and see if that helps your astigmatism. Hope this helps people. Have a great day.